This video will demonstrate the installation of a Headlight Armor smoked third brake light kit on a Volkswagen GTI using our dark smoke film.
Before you begin, you'll need your Headlight Armor lighting kit and squeegee, a spray bottle with straight water, a can-do attitude, your hair dryer, a microfiber towel, and a razor knife.
Once the third brake light area is thoroughly cleaned, peel back the backing paper on the side of the kit with the washer cut out. Wet your fingers with water and wet the first few inches of the kit and align around the washer nozzle. Once you're happy with the alignment, press the material down around the washer nozzle and into the corner and then the next few inches of the kit. Wet your hands with the water and then take your wet hands and gently rub the adhesive with your wet fingers to give a little bit of moisture. And then continue and align the top edge of the kit, lifting and repositioning as necessary. Once you're happy with the alignment, continue pressing the top edge down toward the end of the piece. Align the inner corner and press that down with your thumb, and then working back and forth with your wet finger, continue to the end of the kit. Follow up with the finger wrapped in a microfiber towel and a hair dryer and go over the edges. If you have any edges hanging off, trim them flush with a razor knife, and you're done. Cycling the brake lights. And a couple done in the sun shots. We hope you thought the video was helpful. If you did, give it a like.
Visit headlightarmor.com for lighting protection kits for your specific application today.